will tell you how can you create, how can you learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So meanwhile I am minimizing it and I am going to tell you the easy way to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you have to left click here or anywhere you have to left click and you have to create a folder of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Best way to learn. What is the best way to learn? So the best way is to know the first you have to know the basic. So what is the basic? So after knowing the basic of it, you will be able to create a resume of HTML. You can create HTML, CSS. You can make a resume using HTML and CSS too. So I had learned these things, but first I learned the basic. I am telling you my way. So here I want to have an extension here. Click here to the extension. Here I am going to create dark one. I will take the wait for it. Where is the toxic dark or any other? We will see here. There is toxic dark. You can say code zone to I'm taking the toxic dark. Looks amazing. You have to install it or you can use any other one. Toxic. Come here, close it. You have to create an index.html. Here you are learning now you are learning the basic of it. First, if we need the starter of it, we can write here doc one like this, doc and like doc and then enter. There will be it. So we can put the exclamation mark or we can write here HTML5 like this. We can like I use the doc one. It's easy and simple one, so you can use exclamation mark and any other. Now I will tell you what is the basic HTML in one video, and next video inshallah I will tell you the basic of CSS, and this is full of the series. So you can see here is a head, and that first there is an HTML. That's a layer. This is a language with the language English. This is a coding language, that is HTML, and language is English. Okay. And after that there is coming an head that has the meta tags and the title. Meta tags equal to little bit SEO. That's the little bit SEO. After that title equal to the tab name. After that there is your body. In body you can write like anything. There is a compulsory you have to learn the tags. I will tell you the tags first. There are total 7 tags of the heading tags and plain text tag. So first tag I am going to discuss with you, that is H1. If I write here hello world, and you can go live from here. You have to download an extension go live server. You can download from here. As you can see, there is a hello world. But if I come back and make here H2, I will tell you, save it, of H1, H2 is not Hn, H20. That is H6. If I write here, I will tell you the basic of HTML7. However, I will tell you the basic of HTML, that's at H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. After that, there is one more thing, that is paragraph. In paragraph, you can write the plain text like this. There is a plain text. If I come here and tell you the another thing, that will be an anchor tag. Anchor tag equals to and linking tag. So if I write here A and then the head will be got the file name, like the file name could be index.html or anything. I am creating that storage, and then here you can write the HTML. I will tell you one more thing, that that's the starting one. I will make the comment out equal to this one. That's the symbol of it. You can write control/. That's the starter one. The first H1 equal to starter, and then next the last one with the slash end. That's the end. So same with the anchor tags. If I save it and come here, you can see there is a tag with the underline and color blue. So that there is it. You can know that's the tag, that's the anchor tag. So if I come here and tell you one more thing, like there is a simple one that called divs. That's it. So div is very important part of HTML. So div equals to n box. For an example, I will show you like this. There is a div. You can say there is a curly bracket. Curly bracket, no. In simple way, I will tell you. In the simple way, div equal to box. If I write here like I am styling, I will write there is a div, like I will give it one more, I will tell you after that. If I give it a name or any class, I am in 6th class, I will write it, my ID 6, so I will write it. So I will write in the styling that there is a div that called 6, because that class is 6, and then I will write here and starting arrow 6 and ending arrow 6, ending arrow equal to in CSS and in class 6 in 6 div 6 have an in div 6 there is an anchor tag, so we can style it like this. So now I will tell you the classes ID first. So class is then like we can write a class in the anchor tag or untag. Like paragraph, we have to put the class and ID in the tags. Like there is a paragraph. That's the ending of first one. So I am going to write here the class, and here will be hello. In class you can write here and name, note and number. First there will be note and number. First you have to write here 1 and like this you can write. And then now this is not a paragraph, this is one. That's the one. So if I come down and give the ID, paragraph ID A. So now this is not an paragraph, this and ID. So now I will tell you enter 2. Like you can write anything. Like I need an h2 with the class B. So I will write an h2 dot B because class equal to dot and id equal to hash, like this h4 hash h. There will be the h. We can use with the div to line dot a dot l. There is one more thing, dot l equal to the div with l multiply by 4, and then you have to write one more thing, a br multiply by, and there is an code like this with the two brs. Brs are equal to the space. We have to do part 2. We will make it part 2 of HTML. Like this, we are creating it. So now I will tell you the next one. That is an text area. If I write a text area, so there will be so many things. We don't know these things. Save it. Come here. There will be a box like this, and we can resize it, and what we need to do we can like, and I can write in it like this, and in one hit that will do like this. Come back, we can make more things in it. So that was the text page. I will tell you how to create a line. Here after h4 there will be an HR horizontal line. So there will be a line, horizontal line. So next I will tell you the different chapter that is going to be of H2. That will be the linking tag and image. So if I write an image and then I will do the word, and in SRC we can post something like my image, basic image. Left click it and you have to copy image address, paste it, save it, come wait in the bracket, save it. There is image. So if I need one more thing, but like I will write it below, so it comes out. So if I need one more thing, that is what I am editing two files, one for the HTML, one for the CSS. So if I want to link it, so I will write a link, shift semicolon, and then CSS. Save it in style CSS. So we can write. We have to create the have of style CSS. We will create the style CSS file like this. But if we are writing JavaScript, so we will write a script src. In the src, the file name like index. My file name is index. For HTML, I will do it index.js like this. So thank you for watching my part 1 of the 8 basic HTML. I will meet you in the next video with my new friends. So take care and Allah Hafiz.